Nashville is home to the largest Kurdish-American community here in the U.S. Sadly, though, they lost one of their most prominent leaders to COVID-19. News 4's Danielle Jackson found that loss is now inspiring a push to get more people in the Kurdish community vaccinated.
Can you breathe deep?
Providing care each day inside of the Amid Clinic is how nurse practitioner Faza Rashid fulfills her goal of helping her community. She leads the Kurdish-run clinic in South Nashville.
It takes a lot to actually, educate and encourage and convince people.
She says more people in the Kurdish community are getting vaccinated after Haji Ahmad Doski, one of their most prominent leaders, died from the virus.
So when it happened to him, because he was healthy, he got sick and then he passed away. Then that's when everybody, it hit home and people saw it, and I think it shook the community, the Kurdish community.
Since then, there's been several vaccination events. The Amid Clinic registered hundreds of Kurdish Americans to get the vaccine at a local charter school, and Vanderbilt administered the shots.
So it's important because there are challenges, the language barrier, technology barrier, there's fears of unknown.
The passing of one of the founders of the Sahaladid Center of Nashville impacted many, including Ishmael Kusher, who's already been vaccinated.
Imam, they tell people, let's just please, he push the people, let's go doing the vaccine. If somebody don't have a mask, he tell, please doing the mask.
The health department has relied on various groups like the Tennessee Immigrant and Refugee Coalition to connect with local Kurdish Americans.
It's very necessary because sometimes our immigrant and refugee communities, especially like the Kurdish community, are forgotten when these efforts are attempting to be made.
I'm Danielle Jackson, News 4 Nashville.